everyone, welcome to Salveo World. Our video is tutorial is about how to order your membership package for the first time. Okay, so we will be using one of our members account, and as you see, she's still a free member. And as you see, there is a buy membership button on this section. And this is her dashboard. And if you're first time and if you are a free account, you're gonna be seeing this note below your dashboard. Try to remember or have a capture of this page, because this, once your account is activated, this portion will be gone. So please try to read this section and the earning plan for free account, and most importantly, this is your TechnoWise 360 e-commerce store link. This is your affiliate link. So now we will proceed to purchase her account, membership account. Step 1, what you need to do is buy membership. Click the buy membership. Now we are on the membership plans. Click the buy package. Then you will be diverted outside of your dashboard and to the membership page. Scroll down, check the package that you chose. In this case, the order will be limited gold package B. This is the gold promo packages. So the cost is only $1,999. Click the add button. Once the added button is clicked, it turned into blue and you will see this pop up. And then click to go to cart. Once you click that, you will be diverted to your shopping cart. Please double check the details here. And because this is a prepayment through their e-wallet, there is no shipping fee. It's always free shipping if you prepay for this. For COD, there will be another video and there will be shipping cost. Now, click the check out button. Now make sure that you have listed your exact address and your phone number from your profile. If this, so it will be easier for you to order, because your address will be listed here instantly. If this is for another customer, you have to click the edit over here. I hope you can see this small edit word, and so you have to change, so you can change the address if you will drop ship the order to your customer. Now proceed to payment. Okay, click this proceed to payment green button. By the way, this is local shipping. You can choose local shipping, but if you happen to not fund your e-wallet, you can choose COD. Or for your other customers in other countries, they can choose international shipping, or they can use also office pickup if they're near any centers or company centers, pickup centers. Okay. Now let's proceed with the payment. Now this pop-up is just to confirm your phone number is correct. If it's correct, then press confirm. Now on the order summary page, you will see there's no shipping, and there is a choice to pay later or e-wallet. Since our customer funded her e-wallet in advance, so there is a fund. So click this I hope you can see that small button and click the agree. Make sure there is a check. If this is COD, what you will see here is COD and pay later. Now click place order button. Then here's a pop-up. You are about to pay $19.99 for this order. By clicking confirm, you agree to deduct this amount from your e-wallet. Now press confirm. Now this pop-up is just confirming your order and the order number. You can also capture this page for you to remember, but it's easy to get this order number from your order history. Now VIP membership activation, we will proceed. Click the activate now button. Okay, this congratulations page is one more time. You need to activate your order from this button. Activate now. There you go. Now she has a genealogy. If you see a while ago, there is no genealogy menu. There is no binary menu. Now she has a notification, this bell notification, that she has activated her account. And let's proceed now to the dashboard again here. Now you can see she is now an official gold member. Okay, as a gold member, there's still an upgrade to platinum if she wanted to. So it's so easy to do that. Again, just click the upgrade. You can order through COD, or you can order again pre-funding your e-wallet. Okay, so that's it for now. Oh, by the way, as you can see, the front of your dashboard became earning blocks. Your earning blocks, which means everything you will earn will be shown here, and your sales as well from TechnoWise can be seen here. Okay, so you don't have to worry. And below this is your first account. You can have multiple accounts. I suggest that you get 3 accounts, 1 platinum and 2 gold, to maximize your income. Now here on the left side, you can see this numbers of your members or accounts that it will be accumulated under your network. Okay, so that's it for now. This is Tita Let, and I'm here in California, official team leader of Salveo World. Okay, thank you for watching. God bless.